Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial: how to reset Fire TV remote not working. If your Fire Stick remote is no longer working, first try replacing the batteries. If the issue persists, reset the remote. Unplug your Fire TV from the power supply and HDMI input, then wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the left button, menu button, and back button at the same time. Hold them for 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote. Plug in your Fire TV and wait for the on-screen remote detection error message. Put the batteries back in your remote. Press the home button. When the LED indicator blinks blue, your remote is paired successfully. If it's not paired, press the home button for 10 seconds. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.